It's the story of the fishing camp in Shaver Lake. Shaver Lake is northeast of Fresno. Southern California Edison converted a sawmill pond into Shaver Lake. In 1904, 8 friends from Fresno joined General Mueller for a fishing trip. The fishing was so great that many more joined them. An advance guard would go early and set up camp. Eventually, a ramshackle clubhouse was built. Timber was cut in the Shaver Lake area until the 1940s. Then Southern California Edison started an effort to restore the forest. Every year, the utility plants roughly 30,000 tree seedlings. They remove dead trees through prescribed burns and logging. The 2020 creek fire burned almost 380,000 acres, but not this forest. First time I've seen an all trails sign on a hike. A timber inventory taken in 1912 is one forest management resource. The inventory helps the utility restore a wildfire-resistant forest. To me, this is an open forest with a thriving understory. I'm following the perimeter road back to the trailhead. From the road, hikers can only glimpse Shaver Lake through the trees. Look at the subtle colors of these clouds. While no longer hosting a campout in the woods, the fishing club continues to sponsor fun Shaver Lake events. There's miles and miles of trails to explore around Shaver Lake. Vacationers have traveled to Shaver Lake for more than a century. Southern California Edison is restoring the forest to help keep families coming. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegoldenstate.com.